Hello guys, English course for beginners. One of the most confused in English is about pronunciation for some words and the meaning itself. So you can have some words with the same meanings with different sounds, and you can have some two words with the same sounds but different meanings. So this is just making a confusion for some students when they study English. That's why I start with you. Lesson 11 in English course for beginners 2023 is about, yes, what can you see now? Homophones. Homophones means, homo means the same, phones mean the sound. So the same sounds, two words or more than two words with the same sound but different meanings, As you can see here is homophones, the same sound but different meanings. That's why we are here today. So let's go. Now just another two words with the same sound but different, a little bit of difference in the spelling. The two words are common in English and make some confusion to most students. One is a verb and a noun, the other is just a noun. A-L-T-E-R and A-L-T-A-R. So just the little difference is A or E. The sound of both is alter. A-L-T-E-R, alter. A-L-T-A-R, alter. So alter. The same sound but just a little bit difference in one letter is E or A. Let's see the differences in meaning and what to do for that. What you can see here is the word alter. A-L is O. A-L, alter. The difference is E. Alter means change. I alter my schedule as a verb. My schedule was altered as a verb. So alter means a change, even it's a noun. Alter. The other one is alter, the same. Alter. But another different here is just only about the A. So here's A, here is E. A, alter, the same sound. But what does it mean alter? It's just a noun, only a noun, not a verb. Means a place of sacrifice. The place you slaughter an animal for pilgrimage, for Hajj, in Muslims, in Islam religion. So alter, to slaughter. S-L-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, slaughter, use a knife. To slaughter in altar with A. Okay, so for pilgrimage, Eid al-Adha, for Hajj in Islam. Now the second two pair words is about the two different words. The same sound but different meaning. The same sound, different meaning means homophones. Some words with the same sound but different meanings is which, and which. So the same sound but different meaning. Which. What is the difference between both? Homophones, same sound, different meanings. So what difference now? Which is a question word, means one. What? One of. For example, I have to choose between two options. iPhone or Samsung. So which one I choose? Which one? Means what one of the two phones I choose. So which, a question word, which. And the word which is a noun, which means magician. Someone with magic, someone may be a male or female, a magician, which in the folk tales, stories, not real, okay, there's a witch, a female witch, a male witch, a magician. So we have the same sound, but different meanings for which, which. One is a question word, another one is a noun. Thank you. Okay, today the first one of a homophone is to explain gentle and genteel. Gentle, genteel, gentleman, genteel. So what does it mean each word if I say this one is adjective and this one is adjective? The sound is different. Gentle, genteel, gentle, genteel. So what difference between both? Gentle means polite. That's why we say in introduction of each speech, ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen, ladies, gentlemen, gentlemen means polite men. So polite, gentle. Genteel means well-bred. Well-bred, well-fed. Someone has got some food, much food, and he ate very well. So he's well-bred, well-fed, or genteel, genteel. I got a genteel meal, means a very well-bred food. Also a gentle, as I told you, polite. So take care, gentle, genteel. Thank you.